Could Bitcoin be on the brink of disaster? I was right. Things aren't looking great for Bitcoin. Struggling to get back to the $52,000 level. And if it doesn't succeed soon, it might be in for a rough ride. So according to crypto analyst Ali, if Bitcoin can't break above this level, it could start a correction that sends its price plummeting by 8%. So that's not great news for Bitcoin holders. But Ali says that if Bitcoin doesn't reclaim $52,000 quickly, it could trigger a wave of selling pressure that pushes the price down to the next support zone at $48,500 or even $46,500. That's a pretty big drop. But here's the thing. This price range is actually a strong demand zone. Over 1 million addresses have bought more than 544,870 Bitcoin, which means there's a lot of support at these levels. What's going on with Bitcoin? Well, it's been trading in a pretty narrow range for the past few days. It hit highs of $52,890 on February 15th, but it hasn't been able to get back up there since. So that's not a great sign. But as they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And in this case, the lemonade might come in the form of some pretty big catalysts that could impact Bitcoin's price in the coming days. And on-chain analytics firm Into the Block recently pointed out some key factors that could influence Bitcoin's price. For one, there's the upcoming halving event, which is scheduled to take place since mid-April 2024. This is when the amount of rewards granted to miners per block will be cut in half from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. Now, you might think that this would be a bad thing, but it could actually help ensure the security of the Bitcoin blockchain, which would be great for the price. Another potential catalyst for Bitcoin is the continuation of inflows coming from spot ETFs. These products have only been around for a month, but they've already seen over $4 billion in new inflows. That's a lot of money. And it could result in increased demand for Bitcoin while supply issuance decreases following a halving, which will be pretty explosive dynamic for Bitcoin's price. So there you had it. Bitcoin might be struggling right now, but there's still hope for a bright future. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll look back on this moment and laugh about how worried we were. After all, as the great philosopher SpongeBob SquarePants once said, who lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,